So, let's have this problem para sa application of integral. Find the equation of the family of curves whose slope at any point is 5x. Find also the equation of the member which passes through the point 1, 2. So, the slope of the tangent is 5x. Pero ang slope ay pwede ding makuha gamit itong dy dx pagkuha ng derivative of that function. So, aayusin natin. I-cross multiply natin siya. So, 5x dx is equal to dy. Ngayon, kukuhanin natin ang integral ng function na ito. So 5x will be 5x squared all over 2 plus c is equal to y. Ito na ang equation na hinahanap sa problem. Ngayon, hahanapin naman natin ang equation of the member which passes through the point 1, 2. So, point at 1, 2. Ngayon, ang kailangan lang natin gawin ay mag-plug in ng values. So, y is equal to 5x squared all over 2 plus c. The value of y is 2 is equal to 512 all over 2 plus c. So, 2 is equal to 5 all over 2 plus c. Ngayon, kukunin natin yung value ng c. 2 minus 5 all over 2 is equal to z. So, magiging negative 1/2 is equal to c. So, ang value ng c is negative 1/2. Para makuha natin yung equation dito is kailangan natin i-plug in yung values. Y is equal to 5x squared all over 2 minus 1/2. So, ito na ang sagot na hinahanap sa number 1. Let us proceed to our last problem. A ball thrown vertically upward from the ground with an initial velocity of 64 feet per second. Then find the maximum height attained by the body. Take note, velocity is equal to the derivative of position with respect to time. And acceleration is equal to the derivative of velocity with respect to time. So, etong dalawang ito magagamit natin dito sa problem para masugatan natin. So, ang equation na gagamitin natin is S, or the position is equal to initial velocity multiplied by time minus 1/2 multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity, then a2 squared. Time is equal to 0 and v is equal to 64 feet per second. And our acceleration due to gravity converted from 9.8 meters per second squared. Acceleration due to gravity in feet is equal to 32 feet per second square. So, since ang hinahanap natin ay position, i-equal muna natin ito as 0. So, ngayon kukunin natin itong sa acceleration. So, actually, acceleration is equal to a is equal to dv dt. So, dahil upward ang ginamit dito, magiging negative 32 siya. So, ayan. I-cross multiply natin. So, magiging dv is equal to negative 32 dt. So, ayan. Pwede na natin kunin yung integral nito. So, v is equal to negative 32t plus c. Ipa-plug in natin yung value ng v, which is 64, para makuha kung ano itong value ng c. So, 64 is equal to negative 32, 0 plus c. So, 64 is equal to c. So, yan. So, ang value ng c is 64 here. So, ito na yung magiging equation. V is equal to negative 32t plus 64. So, let us proceed naman sa velocity. So, velocity is equal to the derivative of position with respect to time. It will be equal to ds is equal to v dt. So, ito ngayon ang kukunan natin ng integral. So, it will be yan, ds. So, dahil like terms, dapat kukunin natin yung value ng v. Ayan. So, negative 32t plus 64 dt. So, pwede na nating sagutan. S is equal to negative 32t squared divided by 2 plus 64t plus c. Kukunin ulit natin yung value ng c dito. I-plug in natin yung values na narito sa equation na ito. So, s is equal to 0, negative 16, 0 squared, plus 64t plus c prime. So, the value of c here is 0. Ayan. So, gamit ulit iyong equation sa velocity kanina nating nakuha. So, negative 32t plus 64. Gamit ito, kukunin natin ngayon ang value ng t. So, 32t is equal 64 divided by 32. So, t is equal to 2. Finally, makukuha na natin ang sagot sa problem. S is equal to negative 16. The value of t is 2, so raised to 2 plus 64, 2. So solving, negative 16 times 4 plus 128. So, solving, negative 16 times 4 plus 128 is equal to 64. So, ang sagot sa number 2 is 64 feet.